Okay, it's Luxury Fred, and I'm here with Luxury Latrice and Luxury Hans, and we are doing a little pandemic getaway. Our first one. Went to San Diego yesterday, and today we are here in Dana Point at the DoubleTree by Hilton, Dana Point at Doheny Beach. And I'll show you, we have this nice, I think they call this a SEAVIEW suite. And have this nice little balcony, and look, there's the sea over there. Unfortunately, you have to cross this road to get to the sea, but Doheny State Beach is right there. Doheny State Beach is very cool because it's one of the few beaches in Southern California, if not the only one, where you can actually camp on the sand. So I'll show you a little bit of that right now. So as you can see, you can camp on the beach there. It's very cool. By the way, you have to reserve those spots a long time in advance. For those spots on the sand, you have to reserve them like up to a year in advance, especially for holiday weekends and stuff like that. So you do have this busy highway. This is an on-ramp to the freeway right there, separating you from the sand. We have this nice balcony. Again, you have this mini suite. It's the size of a regular hotel room, but they call it a suite. Like this DoubleTree is dog friendly, although they do charge a $150 pet fee, which I hate. We just stayed at the Kimpton in San Diego, and Kimpton doesn't charge any kind of pet fee, which is how it should be. Anyhow, something else I like that I didn't like about the Kimpton had a little tiny, let me show it to you, a little tiny 32-inch TV. This room has two giant, I don't know, what's that, 50-inch, 55-inch, something like that, TVs. HD, really good quality. I was watching some cartoons on it actually this morning. And so we have a little setup here. You can see that you've got some damage, and you got some warping there, and you've got scuffs on the wall. So this is not a new hotel, but it's got a really good location, and the people here are nice. Now I will say, we are in Orange County during this coronavirus pandemic, and here in Orange County and at the hotel, I have not been impressed with the lack of mask use. We parked in the garage downstairs and kind of came up the back way, and there were several employees who were not wearing masks. Some put the masks on when they saw me, a guest, but others didn't. And a lot of the guests are not wearing the masks, and came up in the elevator with someone, they weren't wearing a mask. And over at the beach there, barely anyone is wearing a mask on the beach. So Orange County is definitely against the whole mask thing, which is bad. And then we went to a local restaurant to have dinner last night, to sit out on the patio, and it was very crowded, and no one was wearing their masks at all. Even, when they weren't eating, they weren't using the mask. So not liking that aspect of it, just FYI. So that's it. That's a tour of the room. Again, a SEAVIEW King Suite, I think they call it, with the balcony out there. Here at the DoubleTree by Hilton, Dana Point at Doheny Beach. I'll show you the bathroom here. I do like that they have a bathtub, and you have a shower over there, and then you have your little sink and toilet and all that kind of stuff. Rather compact, but it does work. So that's it. Again, Luxury Fred here in Dana Point. Thanks for watching. Please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, give me a like on the video if you liked it, leave me a comment, and see more about my travels at luxuryfred.com, and follow me on social media at LuxuryFred. From me, Latrice, and Hans, thanks for watching.